Sitting in my son's school, waiting for them to get dismissed. And this question just came to my mind, so I figured I'd make a short vlog because it has to do with my hair. Here's my question. I have this wig on right now. And I'd recently started my locks. They're about a month old. Or I'm about a month in, I should say. Not a month old. I just wanted to know, when do you guys feel like it's okay or appropriate to have your locks out, especially like starter locks? I don't know. It's just on my mind. So I figured I'd make like a short vlog. I don't really know about vlogs. It's going to be my very first vlog. So any advice is welcome. Any positive feedback is very much welcome in the comments below. But yeah, I'm here. I mean, it's a cute wig and all, and I put a head wrap on just to, you know, feel very confident in my skin. But I just want to know, like, for you all that's lock kings and queens out there, how long does it take you to feel like, excuse this seatbelt, safety first, but how long does it take you guys to be comfortable enough to not wear a wig or a turban or some kind of tie-up head thing, you know? And I know it might be different if you're in like a corporate world, and I get that you want to look a certain way or have a certain image, but I mean just in general public, like how long does it take to build up that like I'm it, you know, type of feeling? Like you go to Walmart, you don't even care. Maybe not Walmart, because nobody cares what they look like in Walmart. But you guys get what I'm saying, right? So anyway, I just want to make this short and sweet because I'm feeling myself, but I feel like I'm not completely myself. And I just want to be honest with myself on this journey. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. It's a brand new channel. I do have 4C fine hair underneath all this tie-up headness that's going on right here. And leave me a thumbs up. Thumbs ups are always welcomed. And thanks for watching. Be blessed. Is recording? Okay, so since I already have the parts how I want them, I just kind of feel for the back. And I go off of feeling in the back. Can you see what I'm doing? Is my hands in the way? Good?
Yeah, with your hands kind of in the way. But
I want them to be able to see what I'm... Okay. So for the 2-point rotation, I use the crochet hook. And I go side down, side down, side down. And that way, it makes the locks not so tight, and it gives a more fuller look because my hair is already fine as it is. So now I went from left to right, and now I'm gonna go up, down, or top to bottom. And just make sure I don't hook any of the other locks in the process. And then I can get maybe one more rotation, so I'll go side to side, or left to right. And then up and down.
you can't really see your finger in that way, so.
Okay.
Yeah, so for let them see when you're done.
Okay, now they want to see how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 more. So you feel for the hair and you give them each a good amount of hair. You get the one you're not doing out of the way. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then you get the loose hairs and you wrap it around it. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay. You get the loose hairs that you can feel, wrap it around it. You take the crochet hook, open it. You see the hook way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You go side to side. Make sure you go all the way down to where you stopped last time. You go side to side and up and down until you can't pass the needle anymore, but don't overdo it, because that'll just cause tension. And again, that was 1 rotation for me. Then I go side to side again. Okay, and then top to bottom, so they lay flat. And you stop where you want it to lay, and that's one. Then I'll do one more. So again, I did this side already, and I can feel the hairs that's sticking out. Okay, so you grab the extra hairs, and you kind of twist it around it, sort of. Then you go side to side, and then up and down. Thank you. And then again, side to side, and up and down. And for me, that's its full rotation because I don't want my locks to be fine, because my hair is already fine. And then it's gonna look fuller doing a 2-point rotation. And that's it.
Bend it down. Let me see.
We're good?